C++ is a powerful language used to build amazing things. From fast games to complex software, C++ is everywhere. It all started in the 1970s with a language called C. C++ came later, adding even more power and flexibility. C++ is known for its speed and efficiency. It gives programmers a lot of control over how a computer uses its resources. This makes it perfect for applications where performance is key. Think of C++ as the engine behind many of your favorite apps and games. Learning C++ is like understanding how that engine works. You can then use this knowledge to build your own incredible things. So, whether you're a complete beginner, or have dabbled in coding before, C++ offers a world of possibilities. Let's dive in and explore the basics of this fascinating language. Every C++ program follows a basic structure. Imagine it like a recipe. You need the right ingredients and steps to make a delicious dish. In C++, we use code to write instructions for the computer. Here's a simple C++ program that prints, "Hello world." On the screen, C++ hash include int main, std count, hello world, std endl, return 0. Don't worry too much about the details for now. Just notice the structure. We have lines of code that tell the computer what to do. The line is like grabbing a tool from a toolbox. It lets us use commands for input and output, like printing text on the screen. The part is where the action happens. It's like the main part of our recipe where we mix the ingredients. Inside those curly braces, we write the instructions for our program. This simple program gives you a taste of how C++ code looks. As you learn more, you'll be able to write much more complex and interesting programs. Just like we use words and numbers to communicate, C++ has its own building blocks. Variables are like containers for storing information. Think of them as labeled boxes where you can put different types of data. C++ has several data types, each designed to hold a specific kind of information. Control structures are like the grammar of our code. They tell the program how to execute instructions. Statements allow the program to make decisions based on conditions. Loops repeat a block of code multiple times. Loops repeat a block of code as long as a condition is true. By combining these basic elements, we can write programs that perform calculations, manipulate text, and interact with the user. C++ stands out from many other programming languages due to its unique features. One of its superpowers is its close relationship with hardware. C++ allows you to directly manage memory, giving you fine-grained control over how your program utilizes resources. This makes it ideal for applications where performance is paramount, such as game development or high-performance computing. Another key strength of C++ is its support for object-oriented programming, or OOP. OOP is a way of structuring code that makes it more organized, reusable, and easier to maintain. By using classes and objects, you can create modular and efficient programs. Think of objects as blueprints for creating complex data structures and functions. These features, combined with its speed and efficiency, make C++ a popular choice for a wide range of applications, from operating systems to embedded systems.